Hello everyone, I am Shankar from Group A. Today I will be discussing about tutorial 8, which is to connect an IR remote to a liquid crystal display. The way it is connected is such that when a button is pushed on the IR remote, the corresponding text or number shows up on the LCD screen. The circuitry is assembled as shown here. These comments that you can see here describe the pin arrangement between the LCD and the Arduino Uno. The include command here introduces the library code for the LCD and the IR remote to the Arduino board. The pin numbers here correspond to the pin arrangement of the LCD display to the Arduino board. As you can see, they are attached to the pin numbers that correspond here. As we can see here, serial begin 9600 sets the data transfer rate between the Arduino Uno board and the serial monitor to 9600 bits per second. Here, the cursor is set to column 0, which makes the text or number appear on the 0 column of the LCD screen. The coding that is seen here is to introduce some wordings into the serial monitor for us to be able to see the corresponding case number for each remote click register. Now, the way that IR remotes communicate with their sensors is through light waves. In this case, pulses of infrared light. IR stands for infrared. The sensor detects the pulse sent by the remote and transfers the information into bits that can be read by the Uno board. So let's start simulation and let me show you an example. So when we open the serial monitor and we click a button on the IR remote, a case number shows up. Now, if you look carefully, the case number is same as the one here. So the number that is displayed here corresponds to the pulse sent by the remote when we click the off button. Then we can use that number to set up our coding so that when this number is received by the IR sensor, the LCD prints the corresponding wording or text which is according to our code. And let me show you other examples. So as you can see here, the case number for volume up is this, and when we click volume up, that is exactly the number that comes up. So we can print volume plus with our coding, and that's how the rest of the coding works. And when we click the number, the LCD displays the corresponding number. So that's all. I hope you understand. Thank you.